This is today's grammar lesson for March 30th. We'll be using Chapter 9, Lesson 1. Today, our lesson is going to focus on object pronouns. Object pronouns are me and us, him and her, it and them and you. Before I teach you any more about it, let's look at a sentence like this that sometimes I hear third graders say. Me and my dad went fishing. And your teacher will usually say, that really should sound like this. My dad and I went fishing. Because I is a subject pronoun. But me is an object pronoun. Me is never used as part of the subject. Let's see how that works in your sentences for today. You have this sentence. You will find me in the library tonight. So, who will find? You will find. What will you do? You will find. So here's your verb. We have verb and helping verb. And whom or what will you find? You'll find me. Whoop, there it is. There's your direct object. See right there? Me is the object pronoun. So it's the direct object. So then we come back and we make verb transitive. Then you mark your prepositional phrase. In is the prep, the article adjective, library, object of the preposition, and tonight is an adverb. At the very end we have declarative. So now we get to go back to your line, the front, and put subject noun, verb transitive, direct object, pattern 2. Now we'll go on to sentence 2. Oh no! An angry alligator is coming toward us. Well, that's said with great expression, isn't it? So we're going to know that that is an exclamatory. And this exclamation point gives that away. Plus, we have an interjection at the beginning. Oh, no. Okay, so who is coming or what is coming? Well, the angry alligator is coming, so alligator has to be our subject noun. What is the alligator doing? It is coming. So coming is your verb. Is your helping verb. Toward us, prepositional phrase. This is your preposition, object of the preposition. We have an article adjective here and an adjective. Got everything done? Yes. We're going to underline. And let's go back and underline the first sentence too. I didn't do that earlier. Okay. Now, is this sentence pattern 1 or pattern 2? If it's pattern 2, it has to have a direct object, doesn't it? And I don't see a direct object, so this is pattern 1. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1. Next sentence. A loud noise on the porch frightened Mary and me. Okay. So, what frightened? Did the porch frighten? No. Did the noise frighten? Yes. There's your subject noun. What did the noise do? The noise frightened. So this is our verb. We can make our slash before the verb. And now you ask yourself, what or whom got the frightening? Who was frightened? Well, Mary and me. So these are your direct objects. There's 2 of them. 2 people got frightened. And remember, here is me, and it's one of those object pronouns. Me and us, him and her, it and they and it and them and you. Okay, So now let's go back to our sentence, and you've got compound direct objects, so we have to have a C in front of our direct objects, and you have to have a C over your and because it is a conjunction. On the porch is a prepositional phrase. Prep, article adjective, object of the preposition, and loud tell about the noise. So this is article adjective, adjective, and this is just a declarative sentence that's giving you information. And now we have to stop and think. Is this pattern 1 or pattern 2? Well, if you see a direct object in the sentence, then it's pattern 2. And here we have a compound direct object, don't we? So we have subject, noun, verb transitive, direct object, pattern 2. And when we underline, this whole part is our subject. A loud noise on the porch. So see, this subject has a prepositional phrase in it. And now we're doing frightened Mary and me. And that is your predicate part. All right, let's say those object pronouns again. Ready? Me and us, him and her, it and them and you. Once more. Me and us, him and her, it and them and you.